Welcome back to another LeetCode video. Today we're gonna be doing the daily for Wednesday, April 3rd. 1614 maximum nesting depth of parentheses. So here it says a string is a valid parentheses string, also VPS. If it meets one of the following, it's an empty string or a single character not equal to opening or closing of a parenthesis. It can be written as okay, these are basically just I guess anything. It just has to be between the parentheses. And here, for example, depth 0 where C okay. Okay, so this is an empty string, but there's no brackets. Although there are these brackets that call the method. This one, nothing. This one equals max depth A, max depth B. Okay. Yeah, I mean, you can go ahead and read the examples, but this is actually not as difficult as you would think. So what we have to do is we just have to count the brackets, count the opening and the closing, and then just decrement the number of closing we've seen from the opening, and we just update the max, right? So max, all right, just call it M equals 0, 0 open equal uh O equals 0, so this is just open brackets, C, uh, C equals 0, and then I'll show you guys the optimization as well for I and S. If I equals O, or no, open bracket, then we just have to increment the open, right? So O plus equal 1, and we also increment max, because we only when we see openings we can add equals max M, and then open minus closed, and then elif I equals and then closed, and we just add to closed. C plus equal 1, return max. Invalid syntax, elif, oh. Okay, let's run this. Okay. Oh, that's slower than I thought, but it's okay. Now, this was the optimization. We do W. It's gonna be a set of the opening bracket and closing bracket, and if I not in W, continue, right? So we just skip every other word. Um, and there we have it, another optimization. Yeah, that's about it for this one. I'll show yesterday's solution because I didn't post it yesterday. I did make a video, I just didn't post it. This is basically like backtracking. So what it would do is here we just have like some pre-checks, but guess the length, I mean the row and the column, and then we make this backtrack thing, and then here we just call it from starting from every position, right? And what this checks is, first of all, check if it's in the range, and then if the current thing is what we're looking for, right? So let's see, the word is A, so is this A? This is A, right? And then it goes checks B, checks C. Well, if it's A, then it would have to check the S, and then the B, and then the F and the C, and we have seen, so it will never check A again. And then once it reaches here, right? So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the index of this, if it's 6, then we just return true, and then that'll just chain up because we have a bunch of ors, and finally it'll just return that. So let's do it for this example here. So A, all of this, and then the word is C, right? So at A, there's no S, so it doesn't go any further. No S at B, no S at C, no S at E, and then there's an S here, and then now it checks the A, the F, and the A down here, right? To see if it's equal to the E now. And none of these are. So it just goes to F now goes to C, and then goes to this S, and then checks the E, and the C, and the E up there. So now it got these two E's, and then now it checks the C, and it's not what we're looking for. And then here it checks it for an E, and there we have it. We return true. That's about it. Here, I think I can just like this. Maybe this works, or maybe I use the wrong slash. Yeah. Yeah, there's just some way to format it. I forgot how to do it. Yeah, anyways, make sure to like and subscribe. Come back tomorrow for another video.